Changzhou HongSheng Machinery Fittings Factory, also known as Changzhou Drinty Auto Parts Company, founded in 2000 years. It's a research, development, design, manufacture, sales in one of the professional auto parts manufacturer. The main products are wheel nuts, bolts, spacers, hub centric rings, and socket wrench. Our company has 12 sets of mounting position forming machines. Nineteen sets of CNC machining centers. 30 sets of automatic taping machines. 60 sets of automatic intermediate frequency welding machine. Two heat treatment production lines. And 8 sets of wheel spacer production lines. And 4 electroplating production lines. The daily output can reach 500,000 to 800,000 pieces. Electroplating quality is our pride. In the Chinese counterparts, only our factory has independent electroplating production line. We usually make 3 layers of nickel and 1 layer of chrome, and control the anti-rust performance of the product by detecting the thickness of nickel layer and the potential difference between each layer. Our chrome-plated products can pass a neutral salt spray test for at least 72 hours and up to 480 hours. And our black chrome products can pass at least 300 hours of NSS test. Therefore, the plating quality is our biggest advantage. Our company has set up a quality inspection center with metallographic analyzer, concentricity detector, harness tester, universal testing machine, Torrent machine, coating thickness tester, salt spray tester, light screening instrument, thread detector, and other testing equipment. Especially before packaging, each of our products will be fully inspected, the appearance, the size, and the thread, to ensure that each product delivered to the customer is qualified. This kind of testing equipment strictly implements the complete quality management process of first inspection, self-inspection, patrol inspection, final inspection, and SGS random inspection. Our company has established an intelligent manufacturing management system by collecting the QR code information, which achieves all-around intelligent management and traceability of the production, quality inspection, and the storage of each product. At the same time, we also open this information to our VIP customers. The customers can trace the progress and the quality inspection of their orders in time. In addition, we also share warehouse data with our customers so that the customers can know our stock situation more quickly and communicate effectively. We took the lead in passing ISO 9001 Heavy 2008 and TS 16949 Heavy 2009 International Quality System Certification and passed on-site inspection of TUV, BV, and SGS, which can provide a strong guarantee for stable quality and reliable performance. Our company adheres to the business philosophy of to achieve success through good quality, constantly optimizes product structure, perfect pre-sales and after-sales services, and strives to build a first-class HongSheng brand.